I'm putting a little bit of a twist on this video because we aren't only going to be shopping Hobby Lobby for Christmas decor. I am also going to show you the designer dupes that I find. All right, so let's go shopping.
Starting here in the floral section, Hobby Lobby always has a wonderful selection of faux florals. There's some reds, there's some burgundies, some whites, really just depending on your Christmas colors. There are selections here for everyone. I could not resist these branches with the crystals on them. They are so beautiful, and I definitely brought them home with me. There's a good variety in this section, from feathers to berries to cedar branches. What I love about these berries is they're not a fake kind of styrofoam look, but they're rather realistic. With this section, I was thinking outside of the box. So there are little picks that they sell in the ornament section, and those picks can go on the Christmas tree. But they're much shorter and smaller, and if you want a pretty extravagant look for your Christmas tree, it's more cost-effective to buy the branches from the floral section instead of the ornament section. Now, the best tip that I can give you before going to stores like Hobby Lobby and doing your Christmas decor shopping is to decide your color palette in advance. So I had already selected my color palette, which I'll put here on the screen for you. I have a neutral palette here with bronze and gold, black and white and wooden elements. I kept this color palette open on my phone, which really helped to guide me and decide, number one, do I need it? Do I want it? But does it really match my overall color scheme? And the best thing about doing my Christmas shopping early at Hobby Lobby is everything is 50% off. I love Hobby Lobby's candle selection. These bronze ones were perfect for my color scheme, but they have a huge variety of different colors ranging from $1.50 to $1.99 each. This was my favorite designer dupe. Look at that, $119 for the 5-foot tree and $199 for the 7-foot tree. Here at Hobby Lobby, this tree was only $55.99. McGee & Co. had some trees similar to this for $52 for the set of 3, but I loved the shape and the neutral colors they had in all of the different options for cute trees. Here's a good McGee & Co. dupe. They go for $28 a string at McGee & Co. and $6 at Hobby Lobby. I love the size of this bell. I would actually use rub and buff to make it more antique gold. $197 at Pottery Barn. These are a great dupe here. Earlier when I was showing you the faux florals, I was showing you all of those different berry stems that were very large in size. So this is the section where the Christmas ornaments are, and I think it would be great to mix and match some of the bigger stems with some of the smaller stems, and especially because this area had way more variety. So you see feathers and leaves and florals, lots of different options to really make your tree unique and interesting. You may have noticed that I'm showing you most of the things that are in my color scheme. Bells are all the rage, and again, are things that I find at McGee & Co. and Pottery Barn. that costs a lot, but at Hobby Lobby, they're so inexpensive. Garland is another great place to look at Hobby Lobby. Now, for your standard pine garland, these are 50% off. So originally $60 down to $30. I think that's a really good deal for what it is, but I do prefer Kirkland's garland. These were really unique and cute with the gold tips at the end. I had never seen anything like that, and they were about $35. Also, the price point on these was amazing. So at 50% off, you're at $10. And I would weave these golden ones into my regular garland just to keep going with my theme of bronze and gold. As I continue to look through the ornaments, I got really excited at these giant packages of ornaments. So this color in particular, I had seen on McGee & Co. for $26 for a set of 4 ornaments with this matte brown. And here, these giant containers of ornaments, 50% off, turn out to be only $20 for the entire thing. They had tons of color selections, anything that would match your Christmas decor. I think the trees were also a really good deal here. I do have a Christmas tree from King of Christmas this year, but good prices for how big these trees are. I know they can get really expensive at some of the online stores, so I think it's worth taking a look. This 9-foot tree for $349. I brought so many of these wood garlands home because the price was amazing. $20 at McGee & Co. and only $5 at Hobby Lobby. These little mini wreaths would be adorable on table decor, making your tablescape look a little fancier, and again, only $5 each. So for our final share of the day is this Pottery Barn dupe. They had so many different colorways to choose from. Pottery Barn has lights and these don't, but that'll do it for the video today. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe and come back next week for more home decor.